Dear students, before I start the poem, I would like to ask, have you ever seen a crow? Of course, yes. Do you know what does it stand for? It stands for ill omen. It is a symbol of gloom, sadness and darkness. So, people don't like it. Have you ever seen a hemlock tree? Here it is. Although it looks like a Christmas tree, it is a poisonous tree with small white flowers. Today, we shall deal with the both in the poem Dust of Snow written by Robert Frost, who was an American poet known for clarity and simplicity. Today, we shall do a poem Dust of Snow written by Robert Frost. Dust of snow. The way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. Here shook is the second form of shake, which means move. Dust here stands for particles, not dust. And hemlock tree, as I have told you, it is a poisonous tree with small white flowers. The way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. It was a winter's day. The snowflakes had covered all the treetops. And the poet was sitting under the hemlock tree. He was in a very sad and pensive mood. But then a crow sitting on the same tree shook off, means started rubbing off dust of snow on his head. Again, I am telling you, here dust does not stand for dust, it stands for particles of snow. Earlier, the poet was in pensive mood, but after this simple action of falling of snow particles on his head, really changed his mood. Means he became very happy. In the second stanza, the poet explains exactly in what way the shower of snowflakes had an effect on him. Actually, this action of falling of snow really gladdened his heart. He thought that his rest of the day would go to waste, but nothing of this sort happened. Even the poet's mood changed from sad to happy. He felt refreshed and wanted to enjoy the rest of the day. It means sometimes even a small incident may prove to be a large significance. Even the bad things give the better results. Central idea of the poem. The poem signifies the importance of small things that sometimes seem simple but have a larger significance in our times of depression and hopelessness. Rhyming pattern or rhyming scheme of the poem is: the way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. Here, crow is rhyming with snow and me is rhyming with tree, and rhyming scheme will be AB, AB, right? Now let's do word meanings. Hemlock tree, a poisonous tree with small white flowers. Dust of snow means particles of snow. Root, held in regret. Mood, a state of mind. The way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. This is an enjambment. Means enjambment is the continuation of a sentence where there is no full stop, comma or any other punctuation mark. Message of the poem Dust of Snow is that a positive change can take place through negativity also. Even small things can bring big change in life. Here the literary device symbolism has been used. The crow and the hemlock tree symbolize sorrow and sadness, whereas the dust of snow stands for natural joy and energy. Next is alliteration. It is the repetition of initial consonant sounds in the same sentence.